This is how we do it, guys. This is
You know, I don't want to get back down.
This is ingenuity at its best. He's like, you know, I don't want to pull the car down. I just want to just go on the ladder. This looks completely OSHA safe right now. This is awesome.
I got health insurance.
You got health insurance?
Yeah.
I got insurance for the shop. He's like, what were you guys doing? I was like, I was filming him working on a car on a ladder. It's awesome. What's up, man? What are you doing?
Loosening the subframe so we can drop it a little, so we can slide the shift linkage through this freaking hole we made, so we didn't have to take the heater core out.
Let's see.
Get it out.
All right.
So our problem is trying to get that shift linkage
Go point.
to come through here.
Oh, right there. So it's, you know, we're trying to tuck the bay slightly.
Yeah.
Ever so slightly.
Kind of came.
So
up.
we're just doing like we're doing like 10 hours of work removing everything just to make the engine bay look cleaner.
So the shift linkage can go through here.
just to go through that hole that we made.
So we don't have to make another hole.
Right there, exactly. We don't want to make another hole. We just like, I want it right.
It'll look clean this way.
I know. And that's just Chris. He just likes to do that. Ugh. But we're almost ready to go. We're almost ready to go. Look at it. Beautiful 5 lug, Skunk 2 control arms. Oh, KW suspension. Ooh. Ooh. We're getting it done. We're getting it done. He's working on mechanical duty. I'm working on cosmetic, this vent for the hood. Trying to get some vent action here. It looks ugly, but really, really functional. So we're pretty much ready to rock and roll. I got my tire set up, my wheels. This old set of wheels was in my S2000, but they're staggered. They're like 8.5 in the front and then 7.5 in the back. Perfect for the Civic. Running Bridgestone Patanzas RE71R. So these fit the car really well. The reason why you go on 17s, everybody's like, why are you going 17s on a Civic? Because in the future, when I run bigger brake kit, it could fit the brakes that are going to be on this car. So, OSHA, baby.
Heard it.
Guys, we are at exhaust day. I'm trying to complete my exhaust for the Civic. As you can see, it's I'm not a very pro welder, but I try. 2.5 inch piping. Where's that muffler at, yo?
This is beautiful.
Ooh, little turn down muffler right there. Got some mild steel piping. Don't laugh at the welds. Don't laugh at the welds. It's okay. I got my new little Harbor Freight MIG right here. It works really well, guys. A lot of people hate and complain, but I'm telling you right now, it works really good. So check out the exhaust. So 2.5 inch piping. This is actually off my old S2000 exhaust system. So I cut this off because it's 2 1/4, like a resonator. I didn't want it to be like super loud. V-band all the way to a Skunk 2 header. We're trying to figure out the angles right now. Found the angles, so see what it kind of looks like. Kind of get some. Let me show them. Oh,
All those pie cuts. Pretty beautiful.
These little pie cuts right there, cuz. That's the only shiny piece I got, but we're almost ready to go. So I have to make some cuts in the. All right, guys, this is me burning myself and novice welding, but you know, you live and you learn. Is that right, Chris?
Yeah.
Let's see. Whew, got my neck. My first.
Careful, you might get yourself a hickey.
Oh, my fucking head! Ouch!
Oh, I saw it glowing in your hair.
Is that glowing? Oh.
Yeah. That's a 3rd degree burn. I ain't scared. Got deja vu right now.
You had deja vu? Like we did this before?
Yeah. So weird. Let me twist it a little bit.
Oh yeah. Oh. We had deja vu, really. Probably a little more twisty, but here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here we. My first exhaust. I swear to you, this is like my first exhaust system I ever built.
First in-house exhaust system.
Coming to you live, Mike's garage. I'm having a moment, guys. Like, I built an exhaust. It's pretty. I feel like B is for build. You ever seen that B is for build, where he like tries everything for the first time?
Right.
I feel like B for build. Okay, I just welded my first exhaust system ever. I feel accomplished. That's what it feels like. Awesome. If I do say so myself.
Great.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. I'm opening a muffler shop. Mike's Muffler Shop. Coming to you live. All right, here it is, ladies and gentlemen. I look crazy because it's been a crazy couple of days trying to get the Civic started. It was ridiculous. We had to trailer it to go get lined because we have to go. We have a dyno tuning session on Monday. It is Friday. We had it aligned Thursday, and the car wouldn't start still. So I'm freaking out, and the car wouldn't start, wouldn't prime, but we finally figured it out. It was a faulty interior dash harness, and I'm gonna present to you the starting Civic. Go ahead, Chris. Eureka! Okay, got a little tuning, little idle tuning to do, little fluctuation, but it's not filled with coolant yet, so we're gonna go bleed the coolant, make sure everything is good. It's done, everybody.